Recording in progress.
Hello, so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a type of animation in which there will be a sea underwater and there will be animals which live under the water like whale, fish, octopus, starfish, and then I'm going to make the sound and make them glide and make a great animation of it. So first of all, I'm going to go in backdrop and then I'm going to choose going to write underwater. So these are two underwaters, but I'm going to choose this one. If you like that one, you can choose that one, but I'm going to be choosing this one. Now I'm going to go in sprite and I'm going to be choosing fish and jellyfish, whale, so I'm going to be choosing a shark, say dolphin, no, and I'm going to choose crab. These are the four animals which I'm going to be choosing. And take one more. I'm going to go in animals. I'm going to see which are underwater animals and I can also take the starfish. Now I'm going to customize these a little bit. Uh, I'm going to choose this fish. I'm going to choose this jellyfish, but it seems angry. I'm going to take this. Leave this and put this here. And I'm going to remove the eyebrows. In shark, there are only two sharks. I'm going to choose the first one. And crab, I'm going to choose this one. And then starfish, I'm going to choose this one, but I can change a little color of it. I'm going to change it into red. Now, there are a lot of red animals. I'm going to choose it into green. Green. Okay. And I'm going to change the color of the jellyfish into yellow. Oh, red is fine. I'm going to change the color of crab. No, crab is also fine. Okay, these are the five animals which I choose. So first, I'm going to go in first one and code it. In event, I'm going to click when the green flag clicked, and I can change take this forever. Glide forever glide. I'm going to take a lot of seconds. So it doesn't stop. I think these are enough. I'm going to put this on to all animals. They keep on gliding. Now I'm going to take one of the spirit and I'm going to taking the sound ocean wave. Now let's see. I did not gliding. Move this and put this. Yeah. I'm going to put the start sound in the end. Maybe it was not gliding. Mm, okay, now I'm going to change it. I'm going to take forever block and put it over here. Okay. Now I'm going to put this one and this programming orators. Sorry, this was incorrect. Okay. And the starfish is not moving. Just make it the green flag click start sound forever. Right. Now I'm going to pause it and put these animals into different place. Remove this turn. Not collect. I'm going to just remove the sound from here because it's okay. Now let's open big screen. Okay, so this was the end of the video. I'm going to play the animation one more time. Okay. So this was the animation which I created on Scratch and it is very easy. I hope you liked it. Bye.